Hi guys, this is Purnima and today I'm going to show you how to make this nail paint organizer using ice cream sticks. These are the requirements that you're going to be needing to make this organizer. Make a note and let's get started. I'm using colored ice cream sticks and I will be using the combination of purple and yellow. You can take normal uncolored ice cream sticks, or you can also take colored ice cream sticks, or you can color them whichever color you want. As you can see that I'm using Fevicol here, but you can also use a glue gun if you have glue gun, and you can also use any kind of glue which you have. Just make sure that if you're using Fevicol or any other glue apart from glue gun, you're giving it ample time to dry, because if you're not giving it ample time to dry, the bond will not be very strong. So as you can see, my base is done, and then I will start making my box on top of it, box or organizer, anything you can say. I will be using the same color until I will complete my box like a structure. As you can see that I'm adding the ice cream sticks in a zigzag manner just to make sure that I'm using it in a box like structure. Make sure that the ice cream stick that you're using are straight and nice. Otherwise your box will look a little bit of different that you want to make it look. So I'm using all the ice cream stick that I am done, and I'm not making the box too long because I still want to see the color of my nail paint. Here I have put these 6 nail paint just to see how I want to organize it. This will give me a pattern to how I want to attach my middle sticks. I will be using 3 sticks to make the organizing part in the middle. You can take any color. I'm taking yellow color because it's a good combination with purple. So with the help of Fevicol, if you're using Fevicol, it gives you an advantage that if you did anything wrong while attaching ice cream sticks, you can still make your corrections because the bond is not very strong in the starting. So you can make any corrections if you have done anything wrong. So I want to give it a complete box like structure, and I don't want the middle organizing stick, that is the yellow stick, to be visible from the top. So I added another layer of purple stick so that it has a complete box like structure from the top. So as you can see, my nail paint organizer is almost done. If you want to decorate it, you can decorate it with any kind of stones or lace or anything. It is completely up to you. I just decorated the middle part with some stones, and as you can see, my 6 nail paints look awesomely beautiful. It is very simple to make, and it looks absolutely beautiful to keep it in your vanity. So guys, if you like this video, hit like and subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos. Take care.